Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to use Memoji on your Mac. So first open the Messages app, then go to the chat that you want to send the Memoji. Then over here you'll see the App Store icon, click on it, and here you'll see Memoji stickers, click on it, and now you'll see all the Memoji stickers that you have made on your iPhone and the stock one that Apple provides. So as you can see, these are my emojis. And this is the mouse one, this is the octopus one, this is the cow, giraffe, shark, and so on. So you can so now just click on the emoji that you want to send. So if I click on this, now it will come over here, and I can add a comment or just directly send this emoji by pressing the enter key on my keyboard. So as you can see, I've just sent the Memoji on my Mac. So if you want to send a message along with the Memoji sticker, just select the Memoji sticker, and over here type the comment that you want to send along with it. This is a test, and click on enter, and that Memoji will be sent with a text message. So that is how you use Memoji on your Mac. Thank you.